card for beginners. This is a cashback credit card, right? As you can see, it has 4.6 out of 5 stars, according to 16,000 card members reviews from 2016 up until 2020. Right? This is the City Double Cash Card. Earn 2% cash back on purchases, 1% when you buy, 1% as you pay. That's double cash back on what you love with no categories, caps, or annual fees. Now, with the 2 other cards that we just showed with Chase, the Unlimited and the Freedom Flex, you get a lot of bonus points and redeem points, which means those points add up to money after a while, right? Now, if you don't want to deal with the just having to calculate the points every now and then through the Chase portal, you can just stick to cashback cards, right? Which means that you earn money back every time you spend money, right? So 2%, how much ever money you spend, you earn 2% back, right? Earn cashback twice, no limits. There are no caps on cashback earned. It all adds up fast. No confusing categories, no annual fee. You pay $0. Both of the other Chase cards have 0 annual fees as well. You don't pay no money for the card, so it's free every year. Earn at your pace. When you make a purchase, you'll earn 1% unlimited cash back. Then you'll earn an additional 1% cash back as you make payments for that purchase. To earn cash back, pay at least the minimum due on time. Always pay the minimum co-payment on time. Bring over your balance. It says 0 intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers. After that, the variable APR will be 13.99% to 23.99% based on your credit worthiness. So this means do not be late on your payments. Now, the first year and 6 months, you can do whatever balance transfers or whatever you want to do, and you won't be penalized. But after that first year and 6 months, you will be penalized, having to pay anywhere between 14% to 24% in interest fees if you're late on payments or anything like that, right? So it just kind of let you know about this, right? It says balance transfers do not earn cash back. If you transfer a balance, interest will be charged on your purchases unless you pay your entire balance, including balance transfers, by the due date, right? So I guess this means like whatever you have on your card that you owe, if you try to transfer it to like a different card, which you can kind of do with business cards, with business credit cards, balance transfers must be completed within 4 months of opening. There is a balance transfer fee of either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, which is ever greater. So that is everything that you need to know. And, always check up on the applications every single year, right? So that is everything for today's video, man. Best beginner credit cards in 2021. Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what